Following are the simple steps that you may follow to purchase notes from my website. Simply write www.ratikagupta.in on any of the search engines. This will open my website in front of you. On the landing page itself, you will find Buy Notes icon. Upon pressing the same, you will find the uploaded notes of all the subjects. There are certain subjects, the notes of which are awaited. The same have been mentioned here in the description box as coming soon. Once they will be uploaded, the students will be notified via YouTube or Instagram or Facebook page. Do follow those pages to stay updated. Upon selecting the particular subject notes, the students have 3 tabs available with them. That is, they can read the description provided thereunder in the description box, and thereafter they can have a course preview before they actually proceed to buy my notes. Notes are compendious and will definitely cater to the students' need. These notes contain crystal clear concepts along with diagrammatic representations and flowcharts. These notes also contain recent and landmark cases along with memorize faster tricks for students to effectively learn. I would also request you to write a review. Thereafter, press the Buy Now button. Here you will be asked either to sign in or to register for an account. Since all of you are first-time users, you will need to register yourself. This registration, however, is one time. Write down your name, your email address, and set up a password for the same. Upon pressing the sign up button, you will be asked to fill your information, which will not take you more than a minute. Mandatory fields are marked with an asterisk. Write down your name, your last name, email address, a proper 10-digit number, your home address, along with city and zip code, also called PIN code. Once all the details have been filled, simply press the checkout button and make online transaction or payment as per your convenience. Enter in your contact number here. And click proceed. All the payment options have been made available in front of you. Once payment has been successfully made, you will get access to the notes by clicking on Go to Orders. Here your student dashboard is open in front of you and you can view and download your notes in your devices. Next time, whenever you will visit my website, you will have to log in by entering the email ID and password in the login button provided just adjacent to Buy Notes icon on the landing page of my website. That is, you will have to log in if you have not remembered yourself as a user. Thank you. Looking forward to transacting with you.